A captive portal is the sign-in page guests meet before they get online. On Cisco Meraki, the access points and the appliances run the Wi-Fi from the Meraki dashboard, and Purple provides that captive portal as a cloud overlay. Purple is a cloud overlay. Meraki carries the traffic. Purple hosts the portal and owns the data through standard mechanisms the dashboard already supports. Your Meraki kit stays exactly as it is. First, set the splash mode to sign on against a Radius server and point the SSID at the custom splash page hosted by Purple. Second, configure Radius on ports 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting, and add the walled garden so the portal can load. The accounting stream feeds your visitor analytics. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.